going on? My name is Matt. I'm just a dude, and today I would like to tell you about this Dewalt tool set that I picked up from Home Depot. I went to Home Depot a couple weeks ago and they were having a tool sale. And the tool sale included brands such as Milwaukee, Ryobi, and Dewalt. And Dewalt had a lot of package deals where if you buy this, you got this for free. And one of the deals was if you bought this battery pack for $199, you got a tool for free. And what I did is I picked this Dewalt compact cordless router. So the battery set has a 4 amp hour and a 6 amp hour battery, charger, and a bag included. The batteries are made in South Korea and the charger is made in Vietnam. Now the router, I do not see the Made in USA with global parts sticker. There's actually a sticker right here that says Made in Mexico. So I'm just going to read the box to you regarding the details. It's a cordless compact router. Base dimension 4 inches. Variable speed, 16,000 to 25,500 RPMs. The tool weight is 3.4 pounds, and the collet size is 1/4 inch. It's a model number DCW600 compact router and a wrench. Now that we got all the details out of the way, let's open this stuff up and see what we got. We have the instruction manual and the wrench. And here is a router. Now the only routers I've used before are corded versions. Most recently a Craftsman that was a lot bigger than this. Definitely a pretty cool design. Here's the adjustments on the base for the micro adjustment to show you how much you're lifting it up and down. The writing on it is small, but it's not unreadable. And that's all it comes with. So now, let's open the batteries. We have a Dewalt Charger, model number DCB115. 12 volt to 20 volt max lithium ion. A 4 amp hour battery. We have a 6 amp hour battery. And we have a Dewalt bag. So all this was $199. We have all this stuff out of the box. I'm gonna get these batteries charged and then see how this thing performs. We got our batteries charged and we know they're charged because of these indicator lights on the batteries. The 3 lights there indicate that this battery is 75% to 100% charged, and that's from Dewalt. Both the 6 amp hour and the 4 amp hour have the indicator lights on it. I have this piece of pine clamped down to the table. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on this 1/4 inch round over bit into the router and see what kind of work it does on this piece of pine. To put that bit in the router, the first thing we have to do is undo the main latch. And then we're going to pinch these little clamps down on the indicator dial, and then that will separate the router from the base. Now we have access to the screw and the lock. We're going to loosen this up just enough to where the 1/4 inch shank slide in. This button right here locks the chuck in place so you can tighten it down. And we're going to use a wrench supplied with the router for that. We aren't trying to get it super tight, but just snug it down. And now, there's these grooves right here on the main router. And it lines up with that little nub inside the base. Button out. Slide it on. Lock it in. Lock it in. Good to go. I'm going to use a 4 amp hour battery for this. Slide it in on top of the router. Lock it in place. Good to go. Now that I have all this assembled, I'm going to adjust the height on the router to where I want it. want the router level with the shoe. So it just makes a nice round over corner on this piece of pine. This router has a speed adjustment right here and an on-off button right here. Once you turn it on, it also has these LED lights to help you see what you're doing. Now that we have this router all set up, we're going to go ahead and put an edge on this pine. As you can see, it did an awesome job on that pine. Let's try something else. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use that router to put a juice groove in this cutting board that I'm building. What I need to do is this shoe is 4 inches wide. That means the center of it is 2 inches off of each side. So I'll put a juice groove in here 1.5 inches into the board around all 4 corners. So I have to build a jig that's 1/2 inch away from the edge of this board. Now that I got this jig all set up, I'm going to swap out that 1/4 round bit for this 1/4 inch round nose bit. First, undo the battery for safety. See how it does. This router works awesome for me. Now, other people might have a ton of experience with other routers, but this is my first compact router that I've used that's battery operated. And it's awesome, especially for the price. For $199, got the tool, 2 batteries, a bag, and a charger. I don't think you could do any better. I will be getting the part that attaches here for dust collection because it spits wood everywhere, but all routers do that. But for the money, for a compact cordless router, I think it's awesome. Hope this video helped you out. If you'd like and subscribe, it would definitely help out the channel. Remember, my name's Matt. I'm just a dude, and if I can't fix it, I'll fix it so no one else can. Thanks for watching.